Hi y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Hey y'all, man, things have been absolutely nuts here in the Messy Studio this week. But first things first, got a couple of stickers from my buddy John Clothier. John's in the UK and does some beautiful artwork with his turnings. Lots of cool colors and stuff. He's always trying something new. I encourage you to go check him out. I'll put a link to his channel down below. But for now, let's get this sticker in its proper place. There you go, 5 stickers, 4 of them from the UK, only 1 from here in the United States. Something's wrong with that picture. Am I more popular over there? We'll see. I haven't been able to get to a project, been running around like a chicken with my head cut off. So, let me tell you why. About a year ago, my wife started telling me we need to find our forever home. We knew when we moved into this place it wasn't it, and she wants me to have a place with a proper shop, especially now that I'm retired. So we've been doing a little looking. I've seen so many houses are starting to run together, and all of the search parameters involve a proper shop, and I've seen some nice ones. Tried to buy a place last month. Somebody outbid me. It had a really nice shop in it, windows on 3 sides, huge dust extraction fan in the ceiling that vented outside. It was nice. I was really hopeful for that place, but like I said, I got outbid. However, there's a reason for everything, always. We found another place this past weekend. Most people, I don't know, we're nuts. Most people when they get my age usually downsize. We're upsizing, but we've got 5 grown kids, 15 grandchildren, 1 great-grandchild, and soon to be 2, like in a month or so. And so we've got a lot of family that comes over quite frequently. But the pièce de résistance is that this place has a really nice shop. The shop itself is 812 square feet, as you can see from this. It's got built onto it is an additional 200 square foot storage room, actually divided into 2 rooms. And the attic of the shop is all floored, so all kinds of storage up there. It's just absolutely huge. Plenty of room for all my equipment. To include things that I'm gonna have to put some lumber storage in along one wall. But you know, c'est la vie. At least it beats having to run back and forth to my shed all the time. So I'm both excited and terrified. So what's that got to do with me not getting anything done? Well, Monday I was running paperwork all over town to the title company, taking them my earnest money, all that stuff. Tuesday involved a different kind of task. I'm responsible for all of the audio and video recordings in our church. I'm basically over the sound room. I maintain everything. And one of the things we needed to help move that along was we had no internet. So I spent 7 hours Tuesday with the internet installation people at the church, and so I didn't get a chance to do anything in the shop. Wednesday, I spent another 7 hours out with the house inspectors inspecting the new property. Man, they went over that thing with a fine-tooth comb. House and shop both. Didn't really find a whole lot that was wrong, thankfully. Everything's looking good. We've got a pre-approval on the loan already. The appraisal is scheduled for next Tuesday. So things are moving along, and we're expecting to close hopefully on the 22nd of June, which means I'm not going to get a whole lot done between now and then, and probably into July, because the last week in June is our weekly or our week-long family vacation. We're going on a cruise. Really looking forward to that. Going to be about 24, 25 of us. It's going to be a good time. But between now and then, we've got to pack everything up. I'm going to pack up my equipment in the shop as the last thing as possible if I can, so I can try to get a few things done between now and then, I hope. I've had a request for a Cocobolo pen and a large fruit bowl, about say 12 to 14 inches, I'm not sure yet, and he wants a segmented piece. So I got to get those things done before I move, or at least I'm going to try to. And of course I'll video it. So that's what's going on with me. Why I haven't got anything done in the last few days, or why you haven't seen anything. Thought I'd do this little video just to let you know that yeah, I'm still around, I'm alright, but things are kind of getting weird. So stick with me. I appreciate your patience. I'll try to have some stuff up as soon as I can. This has been a crazy week, and I expect the next few upcoming weeks sometimes to be just as nuts. So I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. Come back and see us. You never know what you're going to find here at the Messy Studio. Sometimes it surprises even me. Thanks a lot, y'all.